So guys, we have a lovely property here in this beautiful hamlet. Now we have got two properties with the same owner. One is up for sale and we're going to do the second one. A great opportunity if you're a builder or just want to reform. You could make one big property or buy them separate as rentals or whatever you wanted really. So let's go in and have a look around. Now it is up for sale with to let to sell to buy.com. So if you're interested, so this is the property here. This is also up for sale with us, and this is a beautiful property. You've got parking outside the property, as you can see. Look at this. Now this front part always reminds me of Bonanza. Do you remember that film in, I don't think it was in Spain, I think it was in Mexico, but it's very similar. Beautiful little garden here. So it's very tranquil out here. It's beautiful. All you can hear is the birds. Really lovely. Now we're going up here. Now at the side of this property, we'll have a look at there later, but this belongs to that, and this house are being sold by the same owners. So you have a great opportunity if you want it. You could visualise beautiful pink flowers grown up here, or grapes, and sit under the shade then. A little bistro table and chairs. Got a gas boiler just there. And let's go inside. Takes a few minutes for my eyes to adjust when I come inside the building. So this is the kitchen. You have your gas cooker, you've got worktop space and plenty of room underneath there. You've also got your fridge, freezer and hood extractor. Got plenty of top and base units, and you've also got your sink and drainer, your washing machine, another fridge, freezer, more worktop space and more units. So I'll start down here first. Now just off the kitchen here you have a shower room. 3/4 of the way tiled. There is a window into a very large bedroom there, so this obviously an extension. It has got a shower, WC, and your sink and pedestal there. You've got your towel rails behind the door and a mirror. Now if I come back in here, we go in here. This is absolutely a huge bedroom, as you can see. And it has those lovely high vaulted ceilings above. Very traditional Spanish property. You have a socket there as well, and just in there a rail, so you'd have a curtain on there, and that would be a wardrobe. I'm just going to take you in and around. So we're going through here. And in here is your living room space. You've got beautiful terracotta floors, absolutely lovely. And just above, you got that vaulted ceiling. Isn't that nice? Now you have those nice deep windows as well. I'm just going to pan around for you. And you can see that there's a beautiful log burner fire. It's so quaint, this property is really beautiful. Now just through here you have got a bedroom. Now this is a smaller bedroom. It is tiled on the floor there. Got a nice little window, and again you've got vaulted ceiling with your ceiling light and fan. Now you can fit a double bed in here. Like the other bedroom, they have got the rail and the curtain rail where normally the Spanish put the clothes in there. But they have put this large wardrobe. You could take this out, gives you more space, and it's again a lovely large, and may I say, a very cool bedroom. These houses keep the houses lovely and cool in the summer, which is absolutely great. Now this is a great opportunity for a builder, and you wanted to buy this house and the other house. I'm just going to show you that lovely cottage fireplace there, really beautiful. So the ceilings are quite high here. And I'm going to take you back outside and we have a look around to the side of the property. And just here I've noticed there are solar lights on here, but you could either have grapes growing across here on vines, and that would shade your those beautiful flowers. You have a standard light there as well, really beautiful. And you've got the parking as I come out onto my left hand side, but I'm just going to bring you around and see the back. Now this is the other property. If you go to the website, the reference will be on there for that. But this belongs to this property, the gate here. So, this was used as a dog kennel, I believe. So you've got all that space there. Let's go inside. Very high steps. Oops, I got caught in the door. Typical me. So these were used as kennels for some dogs. A few cobwebs about, so incy wincy spiders around. I don't know. Very keen on the old spiders, I got to say. So, let's get back out now. So you have loads of room there if you want to put some potted plants or anything like that. Just going back down here. The sun is blinding me here. So what I'll do now, guys, for you, because both properties are for sale but with the same person, what I'll do is at the end of the video, when the thumbnails come up, I'll add this other property to there. So if you watch this whole video all the way through, then you can connect with this property next door and have a look around there. It's a great opportunity if you're a builder or someone who just potentially wants 2 properties in Spain to let out. So we are in a lovely little hamlet here. Cars just gone by, very rare, but it's gone by, and you have some amenities and shops just down the road. There is also a little community bar, but Campo SOLD is only about 15-20 minute drive where you can get all the amenities you want, and the beaches are 20 minutes after that, so it's not too far away actually, this property is. Alright, so I see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Buy me a bottle of water, please. It's getting hot out here, guys. See you again.